gosh, look at him.
That's cool. Nope, that's as far as it goes, baby.
Oh, cool.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
So cute.
What is on that tree?
Yeah, what is that?
Berries
Apples?
or something?
Apples? It looks like...
Oh yeah, it does.
Asher, let go of his mouth. He's not going to bark.
Oh no, I think it's a berry tree.
Asher, look at these deer behind you.
Oh yeah, they're berries.
Look at the rack on that one. You see that in the video?
Beautiful. Yeah, you can see it.
Look at that.
Oh, it is cool. He's gonna bark.
No, he's not.
Look at that. What is he like that?
I'm not
What is that, an
scared.
8 point or something? Oh my gosh, my uncle would freak his freak. Oh, my uncle, like,
Cute.
he just drives around looking for deer. Like, my aunt doesn't even